Is your company using Business Central? Do you have a large number of assets to maintain? Imagine that you're a maintenance manager and you have to manage your spare part inventory in a system that's not integrated with your Microsoft ERP. Your system tells you that you should buy a $10 spare part. You send it to purchasing, they go into the ERP, they call the vendor, and now they find out that the part actually costs $12. And then, when you receive it in the inventory, there is actually a $5 freight charge on it. Well, now your standalone asset management system is telling you that the part costs $10, but it actually costs $17. So, now what? Some companies do double entry, review the cost, make it right in the standalone system, but it's quite complex and it's gonna take a lot of time and cause a lot of issues. With a built-in system like EAM for Business Central, these kind of problems just disappear because everything is happening in one system. You can find out more on our website, dynaway.com/EAM-BC, or start using the free version today by downloading it for free from app stores.